Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you all how to make brinjal egg curry. For that we are removing the eggs and we'll have to boil them. So we've got your brinjals, some onions, curry leaves, green chillies and jeera. Now we'll have to add all of these into around 2 big spoons of oil and mix them. We'll also add some garlic to it. Now we'll add tomato puree and mix it. We'll add some masalas like haldi powder, some chilli powder, dhaniya powder. You can even add garam masala or egg masala, whatever you have. Some sugar, this is optional, and mix it all together. Now we'll add salt to taste. We'll add brinjals and mix them. We'll put 2 cups of water, and now here we've taken these boiled eggs and we'll poke them with a fork so that the curry can penetrate to it. And we'll now add them to the curry and mix it. Lastly, we'll add some coriander. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.